Hey, what's going on, guys? People with auto repair tips. In this video, I'm bringing you another quick tip. Working on 2013 Ford Fusion. Customer's complaint, shimmying and cutting off while sitting at an idle. She went to the local auto parts store. They pulled the code, and yep, they sold her a part she didn't even need. So in this video, I'm going to show you what to look for and how to fix it. Check this out. Guys, if you're a motorhead like me and you love working on your own cars, you found the right channel. Consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. So here's what's going on. Customer took the car to the auto parts store. They put their scanner on it. They scanned it. They came up with a code. And the code they came up with was a P018 Charlie fuel pressure sensor B circuit. The auto parts store sold them a fuel pressure sensor, the one on top of the engine. They put the sensor on there, drove the car, had the same problems. At idle, shake and cut off. Brought it back to the auto parts store. They scanned it again, confirmed it was the same problem. So they warrantied out that part. Customer put that part on for a second time. Drove the car away, same problems. Customer got frustrated, brought it to me. I put my scanner on it, and I confirmed it was the same code. But here's the problem. That auto parts store only carried that sensor. This car carries two sensors. The one they should have been replacing is on the line. Once I got that sensor replaced and test drove it, the car ran perfect. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.